What do you know about rust and rust removal? I actually invented rust in 1993 in the back of a Cadillac Coupe de Ville, I believe it was. Before rust, things merely just spontaneously deteriorated, much like me after eating a bunch of lactose. But I digress. Roughly 3 years ago, I placed one of the wrenches that I sell into a bowl of rust removal solution. And as time went on and my mental state deteriorated, so too did the Evapo-Rust, turning into what I would call more of an Evapo-Crust all over the wrench. But at least today is the day we can finally unearth the wrench and see what has happened in that time. Join me. Oh no, let me just move my vast collection of tools that I have for sale on my website. Okay. Before I dive into this, I'm just going to tell you very quickly what this could possibly even be, this black residue. So Evapo-Rust is a combination of a few chemicals, generally unknown. But what we do know is that there is a chelating agent, so a chemical that extracts the iron oxide molecule, which is rust, off of the steel, but does not affect the base steel. And then it pulls it into solution, and then a sulfur-containing compound takes the iron from the chelating agent, freeing up the chelating agent to take more iron from the base or the actual metal that happens to contain rust. So I'm assuming that what's left here, which is insanely hard for some reason, is mostly an iron compound or mixture. I'm not entirely sure though, and we're going to find out. So let's start prying and see what happens. Oh my God. Okay, so it's very hard. Ooh, kind of shiny. What am I even doing? How do I... Very stiff, that's metal. It's almost like the thickest Nutella that has ever existed. I just want to get to the... How am I going to get this off? I wonder if adding water would help. Oh God. This is the worst archaeology I've ever done. I'm assuming if I added water to this might go a little easier, but I don't want to do that yet until I kind of dig around more and I want to really see what's going on. I feel like I could get this wrench out, or this part of the wrench out, most easily. Oh. Oh, we're unearthing something. Oh my God. Oh, here we go. Come on. Oh. What? It's incredibly shiny? Why is it so shiny? Let me just give you a reference. This wrench looked like this, okay? This is a really old one. By old, I mean one of the first that we made with, a hand stamping. This is under 2000. There's many more of these at this point, but there's essentially a layer of mill scale which is a type of oxide, very tough, that is supposed to be on this. But why is it shiny like it's nickel plated? And there's definitely some sort of like green, this oddly green essence. Okay, here you can see a version of Neapolitan ice cream that I'm really not that interested in consuming in any way, but there's that green layer, greenish layer on the bottom, some rusty business, and the black goo that is kind of crystallized. Don't know what that is, but I'll just be here for the next 14 years getting this up. Oh. Here we go. Oh, jeez. Why is it shiny? What? And there's like a huge rusty layer that's like super squishy. Okay, I'm gonna clean this off and then we'll investigate. I have no words. I don't understand the shiny. I don't understand why why you may think this is just remaining crystallized rust remover. There's some corrosion going on and discoloration. I don't really know. And there's a little bit on here as well at the end of this. But it goes together just fine. This one obviously didn't make the cut. We never numbered it because the hole wasn't drilled enough or something for the jaws to fully close. But after 3 years, it's totally fine and completely functional. I don't know what this is. If anybody has any idea, please let me know. But I'd like to further experiment with the residue and see if any of it is magnetic in any way, like which stratification layer contains the iron. Apparently nothing. So this one contains all 3 layers. This is just the brownness, this is just the black, and this is just the green. And it seems like nothing. Unless I bust out the Mega Magnet with safety warnings. Oh? No, that was just sticking. Hello? Oh! 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 The black layer and the brown does nothing. So I wonder if this is just some sort of extra compound that doesn't help or something, or it was just dirt, or who knows. And this might be just leftover essence. If I take this off and release the power of the magnetism, will it do something to this? Oh, there we go. Okay, so you need a super high powered magnet, but it seems like the dark part is the possible chelating agent or the sulfur containing compounds, and the rest are just you know, the surfactant or something else. I don't know. Very, very odd. Who knows? Oh God. Now as a final test, I've already put some in here, but I'm going to put more of these pieces back in and let this dissolve. And I'm going to try to de-rust something to see if the solution still completely works. Okay, rusty bolt. We'll just see if it functions. Okay, I left this overnight. Let's have a look. Using it. Oh God. Oh, ooh. Oh God. There we go. I don't think I don't think it's working, but let's disgustingly wipe this off. Oh my God, what is... I don't know what this whiteness is. Disgusting is what it truly is. Okay, so I guess it still works. You know, I didn't leave it in there too long, I guess, and who knows if I got, you know, the appropriate concentration of active ingredient to water ratio. But all right, well, whatever. Now you know, it will last forever. Oh God. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Oh.